but the crab swarm had already surrounded the whole town. The boyfriend, while dodging, lost control of the motorcycle. Both of them crashed to the ground, delivering first blood and a double kill. And in just that moment, the crab swarm already covered the entire town, so many that it stretched beyond sight. And similar events happened in multiple places worldwide. After seeing the news, Anna felt everything was too much of a coincidence. First lobsters, then crabs, and both carrying deadly viruses. So the next day, she had some crab samples brought from the outbreak area. She used a saw to open the crab's abdomen, took some fluid from inside, then mixed it with human blood. Under the microscope, Anna was shocked. The bacteria inside the crab was identical to the lobsters, and these crabs had no eyes, so they must live in the deep sea, which theoretically means they cannot survive on land, let alone attack humans. Anna could not figure it out, until her assistant casually mentioned the story in Exodus, where God sent plagues to save the Israelites. In short, it was heaven punishing humans for polluting the ocean. Anna first took it as a joke, but as the saying goes, when science cannot explain something, it becomes metaphysics. Anna thought about it more and more and found it reasonable. There are no gods in the sky, but that does not mean there are no intelligent beings in the ocean. Humans can train dogs to manage other animals, so ocean beings could do the same. But this idea had no scientific basis. The government would not take it seriously, so Anna decided to speak at the Global Ocean Protection Conference, hoping for support from the Ocean Association. But to them, a new virus was not unusual.
It's not. But what we could not have predicted was that it would be carried ashore by an invasion of an unknown species, which seems to have no other function than to infect us with the bacteria it carries.
After that, one committee member wanted to laugh but held it back. After all, crabs are low-level animals. How could they deliberately contaminate human water? So no matter how Anna argued, they remained skeptical. But Anna's trip was not useless, though the committee did not believe her. Several marine scientists watching on TV did, because in their research fields, they had seen even stranger things. Humpback whales attacking ships for no reason, ocean currents suddenly shifting, tsunamis appearing simultaneously along several nations, research vessels sinking without damage, and strange deep-sea noises, along with glowing unknown creatures. So Professor Nishitani contacted Anna immediately and gathered the scientists who had witnessed strange events.
Something is behind the events we have all witnessed firsthand. Something that has weaponized the seas against us.
But such a theory challenged all existing science. If they were wrong, every expert there would lose their reputation. So the oldest female professor decided to leave the group, but without her credibility, their theory would lose validity, and the Ocean Association would not fund them. But the situation was pressing, so Nishitani forced himself to organize the data, applied for funding, and named the mysterious creature IR. Their goal was to contact the creature, to negotiate, because humans had no ability to fight it. But since the evidence Nishitani had was not enough to prove a species smarter than humans lived in the deep sea, the committee